How to fix Google search not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and search for Google just to make sure you have an updated version of the Google application. So as you do that, you can see the Google application and make sure you have the latest version. After doing that, check if you have stable Wi-Fi connection. So if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, what you can do is make a long press on Google application and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, you'll be able to see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So select on that. Now you can clear the cache over here and tap on OK. And if it's possible, you can clear all data by tapping on it and delete all data. If not, you can now just relaunch the Google application and the issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.